Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start with an example. Let's say that you love mangoes, but the prices of these mangoes keep on changing every week. One week it is 100 per kg, then next week it's 150 per kg, then a month later it drops to 80 per kg. Now, instead of trying to guess the perfect time to buy the mangoes at the lower price, what if you buy 500 worth of mangoes every month, no matter what the price is? So, with this, sometimes you'll be able to get more mangoes when the prices are low, and sometimes you'll be able to get fewer mangoes when the prices are high. But over time, you average out your cost per kg. Yes, and this concept is what we call as dollar cost averaging. So, under DCA, instead of investing all your amount at once, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, say daily, weekly, or monthly, no matter if prices go up or down. See this with the help of an example. Say that you want to invest in Bitcoin BTC, but its price keep going up and down like a roller coaster. So instead of investing all your money at once, that is lump sum, you decide to invest rupees 5,000 every month using DCA. So now, if you have decided to invest 5,000 every month, so starting with January, where BTC price is rupees 40 lakh, so with this investment, you will be able to accumulate 0.00125 BTC. Then moving on to February, the price of BTC dropped down to 35 lakh. Now with the same 5,000, you will be able to get more of BTC, which is 0.0142 BTC. Now, in the same manner, moving forward, say in April, again the price of BTC rose to 45 lakh. Now, you will be able to accumulate less of BTC, which is 0.0011 BTC with the same investment of 5,000. So, now, like this, you have continued it for 6 months. Now, after 6 months, that is after investing 30,000, you have accumulated total of 0.00776 of BTC. So in this way, you have invested your whole amount and accumulated the BTC. Exactly what did you achieve with this? Now, if you would have invested without DCA, that is the entire 30,000 in the month of January, where the BTC price was rupees 40 lakh, then you might have been able to accumulate 0.0075 BTC. But if you have invested using with DCA, that the plan we saw earlier, that is investing 5,000 every month from January to June, you are able to accumulate 0.0076 BTC. So with the same 30,000 with DCA, you have been able to accumulate more of the amount. Clearly answers that why use dollar cost averaging. First, it reduces the risk. No need to worry about timings in the market. Second, it removes the emotions. You invest regularly, avoiding panic of buying or selling. And third, it is also great in any market, whether the market is rising or falling. And fourth, great for long term investing like Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks, or mutual funds. So now we will be creating a personalized dollar cost averaging investment plan. So DCA can work absolutely amazing when it is tailored with our own budget and the risk. So now we'll be seeing first of all our budget, say 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 15,000, or it is 15,000 plus. So we'll be creating a DCA plan for all these three kind of levels: the beginner level, moderate level, and the aggressive level. One is for the beginner level. So in this, the portfolio allocation will be crypto plus stocks. So for this, we are investing 5,000 in a month. So from that 5,000, you can invest around 40% in Bitcoin, which is quite risky. So we have invested around 2,000, and then in Ethereum, index fund, and USDT. So in USDT, we have invested around 10%, and in index fund around 20%, and Ethereum 30%. So here BTC is a risky investment, but the gains are higher here. So with this, what will be the expected outcome? So with Bitcoin and Ethereum, as I said, these are long time winners, and the index fund provides steady returns of around 12 to 15% per year. And USDT, as it is maintained through reserves, it act as a hedge in case of market dips. So now if you want to invest only 1,000 per month, So here is a pro tip that you can actually invest 500 in BTC and 500 in an index fund. So BTC will be a risky investment, and whereas index fund will be a safer investment. So now moving on to plan 2, that is the moderate one, where portfolio allocation will be crypto, stocks and gold. So here we can invest between 5,000 to 15,000 per month. So now here we are investing 14,000 in the month. So you can invest in BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Nifty, and gold as well. So in Bitcoin, we have approximately invested 35%, in gold 10%, and in Solana and Nifty we have invested equal of 15%, 15%, that is 2000 and 2000. So here also Bitcoin and Ethereum are definitely a bit risky investments, whereas gold and Nifty are still a secure investment in a way that the returns are annual. So here also the expected outcomes will be that crypto investments will definitely grow during bull runs, and then the stock index funds provide stable 10 to 15 annual returns, as I said earlier as well. And also gold adds safety against any kind of economic downturns. Plan 3 is for the aggressive investors, that is who can invest 15,000 plus per month. So here portfolio allocation will be high growth crypto, stocks and AI coins. So we are investing 20,000 per month. So we are investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, AI cryptos, US stock, gold, and meme coins, which are quite a high risk picks. So we are investing around same of 10%, 10%, that is 2,000 in AI cryptos, US stock, and gold, and around 50% in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is on a riskier side. So here also we are expecting the outcome of high reward of around 2x to 10x in a bull market. And with meme coins and AI cryptos, these add risk to the investment, but also they show a massive upside. And in terms of gold and stocks, they provide a safety net in market crashes. So take profits when crypto prices double and reinvest in safer assets. So now I hope that you must be clear about the concept of DCA, that is dollar cost averaging, and you must be able to understand how amazingly DCA can actually reduce our risk of investing in wrong times, and also it can smoothen the price fluctuations for us. And also, like in the video, we created the investment plans of 3 levels, and now you can curate your own investment plan as per your own potential of investment. And in case of any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So happy learning.